The Titan table template, provided by Park Industries, has most shapes and sizes of pods available, many of which we don't have. Today, I'll show you how to customize it to fit your needs.
So let's start by opening a new drawing. And then if you have multiple machines, make sure the correct profile is selected so that we insert the proper table template. This is the original table template provided by Park Industries. The cups or pods provided in the vacuum package are in the green rectangle, and there are probably many pods that we don't even have. I'm going to move the pods that we do have along the right side of my table. This will give me a larger view when I choose to zoom. For this example, I'm going to say that we have the cups from the vacuum package, and we purchased 2 additional sink rail cups and 4 more of our 250 by 500 cups. And I'll make some more room by deleting everything I don't need. Now I can change the quantity, position, and orientation of the cups that I do have. I'll start by moving them into a convenient location. And I'm going to copy this larger cup so I can pre-rotate them so I won't have to do that each time I place parts on the table. And I'll move them into a final position so I can get the largest view when I zoom all. I'll also change the quantity in the text by going to the Geometry tab and then over to Edit Text. I'm going to change the quantity to 6 on the larger pod because we bought 4 more. Then I'll apply and OK so I can add a quantity of 2 to the sink rail cups. When we've modified the template to the way we like it, we're going to save it. First, let's go see where the templates are usually saved by going to the My Park Config tab and then My Machine Profiles. AlphaCam versions 2022 and newer use a default template, but we can still go Browse to see the default location. We can save this template in any location just as long as we browse to it when we're finished saving it. For this example, I'll just save mine in the default location, which is C AlphaCam Lycom DAT and then the SPost folder. So that's where I'll choose when I go to File and Save As. The C drive, then AlphaCam, then Lycom DAT, and then SPost. And I'll just use a name of Titan 3700 table. Then before I can select it as my table template in my machine profiles, I'll have to close this drawing by opening a new one. Now we can browse to whatever location we saved it in, select the table template drawing, and then open. Verify the path to our file, and then save all and close. And now, when we go to our Titan tab and choose to insert a table template, we have the one that we just customized best for our use, which we'll find much easier and faster to use. You can always modify your custom table template by adding and deleting pods as you wish. After you make your modifications, just save and overwrite the existing drawing.
Thank you for watching. Now you know what I know. One more thing. Did you know that we have hundreds of resources available on our website for machine training and service? To find them, go to parkindustries.com. Thank you for choosing Park Industries.